Hello guys, it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this aloe vera oil. If you've been following my channel for a while, you will know I post about or I talk about aloe vera a lot in my natural hair videos. Aloe vera is very beneficial for your hair, for your skin. Some people even eat aloe vera. Also, this is going to be the second video I'll be posting on my channel about aloe vera, so you can check out the other video I posted on how I use aloe vera to detangle my hair. For this video, we'll be needing a fresh aloe vera plant and oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using coconut oil. You want to cut the aloe vera plant into pieces, and you want to go ahead and cut out the sides of the aloe vera because it has the spikes by the side that could injure you, and that is exactly what I'm doing here, cutting out the sides of the aloe vera. I know anyone out here looking for how to make aloe vera oil already knows aloe vera is very beneficial. You already know some of the benefits of aloe vera on your skin and hair, but for some people out there who don't know, I'm going to be talking about some of the benefits of aloe vera in this video. When you are done cutting out the size of the aloe vera, you want to go ahead and start cutting the aloe vera into smaller pieces, just like I'm doing in the video. You want to cut it as flat as you can, almost like a glass, like a see-through glass. Cutting it this way is going to help during the heating process. It's going to make the aloe vera gel come out easily and mix up with the oil. Now let's talk about the benefits of aloe vera. Guys, one thing I love about aloe vera is you can use it in so many ways. You're not limited to just one way, okay? You can use aloe vera as a Prepoo, you can use it as hair mask, you can use it to make aloe vera oil, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, you can also use it as a detangler, and I have a video on how I use aloe vera to detangle my hair on my channel. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box. So I love the fact that aloe vera does not limit you to only one way of using it, okay? Aloe vera is very beneficial to your hair and scalp. It calms itchy scalp because it has some anti-inflammatory properties which help calm itchy scalp. For those who have dandruff, it helps with the flaking from the dandruff and helps calm the itchy scalp. Aloe vera cleans oil from your hair, so you can use it as a deep cleanser because it helps strips off the excess oil from your hair and also remove any residue from other hair products. Aloe vera contains lots of vitamins that help strengthen and repair your hair strands. It contains vitamin A, C and E, and these vitamins help promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. It also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, and this help keep your hair from falling out. It also helps in repairing sun damage to your hair and skin. So aloe vera gel helps in cleansing your hair, it helps in conditioning your hair, it reduces hair breakage, and it also prevents hair loss, and all this helps in promoting hair growth. So this is the second phase of the process, and this is the heating process, guys. So I made sure to use very low heat during this process, okay? So I put my frying pan on fire and on my stove sorry, and I went ahead to add some aloe vera oil. I got this aloe vera oil from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, okay? So I added the coconut oil, and I don't have any measurement for these, guys. The amount of coconut oil you use depends on the amount of aloe vera oil you want, and also the amount of aloe vera you're using. Okay, so I put in some aloe vera oil and I wait for it to melt. And remember guys, I'm using low heat. Okay, and also I love using coconut oil when I'm heating up oils, because coconut oil can withstand lots of heat, okay, more than other oils. Okay, so I will advise you use coconut oil. And even if you want to add olive oil, you can add it towards the end, okay, because it doesn't withstand lots of heat compared with coconut oil. I poured in the aloe vera plants into the oil, guys. I did mine twice because my pan was very small, so I advise you use a bigger pan so you can do this process just one, because this is going to save you guys so much time. Okay, so I poured in the aloe vera plant into the oil, and I went ahead to use a spoon to separate each one of them, just because I want every single plant to be on its own. This is going to make the mixing process easy. It's going to make the gel, it's going to make it easy for the gel to, you know, kind of mix up with the oil. This is also the reason why I sliced the aloe vera plant into smaller pieces. Okay, talking about some of the benefits of aloe vera to the skin. Aloe vera have been used for so many years, okay, on the skin. It has this soothing and calming effect that helps with burn, like minor burns. They also use it for sunburn, for cuts. It's also used for dry skin. Aloe vera is also used for cold sores, for eczema. You can also use aloe vera on your face because it has this anti-inflammatory effect which helps with acne. Okay, so aloe vera is used to treat lots of skin issues for so many years now. So I was just using my spoon to separate the gel and, you know, kind of make the process faster here. That was just all I was doing here. Okay, and now you guys can see the oil is ready, so I went ahead to turn down my stove and I left it to cool off. Okay, I went ahead to transfer the oil into this measuring cup. And guys, this is already cool, so don't do this when it's still very hot because you can burn yourself. Okay, so yeah, I use this measuring cup because it's going to be easier for me to transfer it from this cup into the bottle I want to put it in. And also you can use a sieve or a socks to kind of sieve this oil out if you can't do it this way. Okay, so yeah, this is the oil. This is what I got from just one cooking. Remember I told you guys I'm going to be doing mine twice just because my pan is very small, right? So this is the oil I got from the first cooking. So now I'm going to be transferring it into this transparent bottle. And I got this bottle from dollar stores. They have different types of bottles. So I'm going to be adding some essential oil into mine. I'm adding the rosemary oil, which is very good for hair regrowth, because I'm going to be using this on my daughter's hair too, and I've been trying to regrow her hair recently. If you've not seen the video I made about what happened to her hair and the 30 days hair challenge I started for her, you can check the description box to see the details of, you know, the challenge. So I'm going to be using this oil for her hair. That is why I'm adding the rosemary oil, because it's for hair regrowth. And I'm also going to be adding the Jamaica black castor oil. So just remember that aloe vera oil will penetrate your hair follicles, it will condition your hair, it will improve damaged and dry hair, it will prevent hair loss and hair breakage, and it will also facilitate hair growth. So finally come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying. If you're here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this family. And don't forget to like, comment, check out my description box to see my other aloe vera videos and natural hair videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.